Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking through a physics key equation and we're going to be looking at calculating wave speed. This is found in CP4 and SP4. There are two equations to calculate wave speed and this is the second one. Okay, wave speed in meters per second is equal to the frequency in hertz times the wavelength in meters. This can also be written as V equals F times and then this symbol here, which is the Greek letter lambda, which represents wavelength. So we have V representing speed, F representing frequency, and then that Greek letter lambda, shaped like this, represents wavelength. Okay, let's take that equation and place it into a formula triangle so that we're then able to rearrange it. We would have V divided by F times lambda wavelength. Okay, so if we want to work out frequency to start with, let's cover that up. The frequency is equal to the wave speed divided by the wavelength. If we want to work out what the speed is, it's the frequency times the wavelength. And then finally, if we want to work out what the wavelength is, it's the speed divided by the frequency. Okay, let's look at a worked example now. Calculate the wavelength of a wave with a frequency of 100 Hz travelling at 50 meters per second. Okay, so it wants us to work out wavelength. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, so if you remember, we had the speed up the top, and we had the frequency and the wavelength down here. So it wants us to work out wavelength, so let's cover that up. And we're left with the velocity, the speed divided by the frequency. So we've got speed divided by frequency. Okay, let's substitute in the numbers that we have at the top. So it told us the speed was 50 meters per second, and it told us the frequency of the wave was 100 Hz. Okay, so if we take 50 and divide it by 100, we're left with 0.5, and we're talking about wavelength, so it would be meters. So the wavelength of the wave is 0.5 meters.